If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrice. It'd be great if you hit that subscribe button down below to join the family. So if you're new to my channel and you do not know what loc knots are, these are what loc knots are. And my hair is actually really long. So I'll insert a picture here just so you know, hey, she got long locks right here. So a lot of people kind of get confused on how I could get my hair to look so short if my hair is so long. So I'm just gonna show you how I got my hair in this situation. So I'm just gonna take one of them down so I could just demonstrate. So as you can see, when I take them down, you would see that my hair is curly and it's not the same length as the loc knots. So in order to achieve this type of look, the way that I do loc knots, so I basically put my hair in half of its length, or maybe more than half. And then I have my finger and I would just twist it around like this, like so. And then you have a loop. Excuse my broken nail. You have a loop. Once you have that loop, you want to wrap the rest of the hair around itself. So you just keep wrapping it around, wrapping it around. And you have to make sure you do this on damped locks. Your hair cannot be dry, otherwise you won't really achieve a really nice curl. So you want to make sure you are working on damped locks. Not sopping wet, not really wet, but damped, okay? So once you get to the end part of the hair where it's just this and the loop, you want to stick the end of the hair inside of the loop and pull it towards you. So you're going to stick it in there like so, and you're just going to slightly pull like that, right? And then there we have a loc knot. So it's back into a loc knot again. And I actually took out two of them already. So here is the two that I took out. And you could see that you achieve a spirally curl. I want to say, like, if your hair is at least maybe 12 inches, if your hair is about that length, then you could achieve loc knot. You have an event that you're going to and you want to get your hair done in advance, but you want to make sure that your retwist doesn't like get fuzzy or frizzy or anything like that, or you just want your hair to be very fresh. Loc knots are perfect for that because you can leave these loc knots in for however long you want. Of course, not forever, but you can leave them in for however long you want. For me, I will leave them in for a week, 2 weeks sometimes. You can leave it for 3 weeks. It's no harm to your hair. You're not using rubber bands. You're not using any type of tool. The only thing that you're using is your hair. That's it. So this is actually a great protective style because you're not harming your hair in any way. So if you have an event going on and it's like a week from now or 2 weeks from now and you want to have fresh curls, loc knots are definitely a way to go because you can just take them down the moment your event is and then you have some popping curls. I'm very simple because I'm tender-headed and I don't do a lot of extraness. So curls are definitely my go-to. So if you have dry hands or your hands are dry, there's gonna be friction and things like that. So you want to avoid frizziness. So you wanna always apply some oil to your hands and then take your hair down, right? So I'm just gonna take my hair down, my loc knots. these are the final results. I love Loc Knots. They just make such beautiful curl. I just love the way that my hair holds the curl. You know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. Honestly, my favorite way to curl my locks are a good braid out and then Loc Knots. Beautiful, beautiful curls. I love the way that my hair holds the curls. It lasts a very long time if I'm not like, you know, sweating it out. And I'd like to know your favorite way of actually curling your locks in the comments down below. Let me know down below. So until next time, I will see you in my next video, God willing. And always remember, be spiffy and be you. Peace.
I wanna die doing your will, God, and what you want me to. Lord, I want you to use me.